Hey babes, it's your girl Chi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a watercolor hair tutorial. UNice Hair was very nice to send me some hair to play with. So let's go ahead and get started. So UNice Hair sent me a 20-inch 13x4 lace frontal 613 wig. And oh my gosh, I am so excited to do a tutorial with this. This hair is incredibly silky and it's actually really full for a 613 wig. The only thing I didn't like were that the ends were a little thin, but besides that, like the frontal part of the wig was really thick. And I just love that the wig came pre-plucked already, so like half my work is already done. So there are 3 combs and an elastic band just to make sure that the wig will perfectly fit your head and it will not come off. No excuses, sis. Secure the Wig 2020. And I'm going to go ahead and start off by protecting my knots in my lace by using the Got To Be Freeze Spray. And what this will do is protect your hair from, your lace from picking up the color when we dip it in the water. I really wanted a really pretty like cotton candy pink, but also kind of like an electric pink, but not too electric and also not too pale. Just like a nice medium. So I decided to go with the cotton candy hair dye from Adore, as well as pink petal from Adore. And y'all, this was really just trial and error. Like I was really nervous because I did not know how it was going to turn out. So you need to get you some hot water in a bowl. You don't need too much, and it doesn't need to be like crazy hot, but just boil it until it like bubbles. And now I'm just adding in my first hair dye, and I'm testing it on a napkin to see what it's looking like, just so I can kind of you know, ballpark what my hair will end up being, the color. So make sure that the dye is evenly stirred and add your wig. So when I add my wig, I'm paying attention to make sure that all sections of the hair are, you know, evenly pink, because if you're not cautious with watercolor, your frontal could end up being darker than, let's say, like the back of your wig or the inside of your wig. You need to make sure that every single strand is evenly coated. And just look how pretty our pink color came out. Like, I'm obsessed with it, guys. I just think it's so cute, and like the hair is so nice and silky. It really just picked up that color so well. And I have to just rave about the hair quality again, because I didn't even deep condition this wig after I dyed it, and look how silky after I flat ironed. Like, the hair is just really pretty. Alright, so now I'm just going to go ahead and install my wig as well as style. If you guys would like an updated how I install my lace frontal wigs video, just let me know in the comments down below. I do have a video, so I will tag that in the description box, but as of right now, I have changed my way that I apply my lace wigs and my frontals. So just let me know in the comments down below if you guys would like an updated video. I would love to help. adding my finishing touches, but this is the completed look. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and have a blessed day. Bye guys.